up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing Spider-Punk from Across the Spider-Verse. Let's get into it. So if you have seen the Spider-Verse, Spider-Punk comes at like in the middle and he's a friend of Gwen Stacy. There he is, Spider-Punk, and the back of him has a little spider on the shirt. And he is a rock star, and here's his guitar. And you can go like this with it. Now I can put him in my collection. As you see, I have Spider-Man, Prowler, Miles, Gwen, 2099 Spider-Man 2099, Scarlet Spider, and the Spot. And now I have Spider-Punk. Bye guys, I hope you enjoyed this episode of Jack's Toys. Make sure to like, subscribe, and put on post notifications. Bye!